Hi guys, welcome back to the Power BI Learning. And in today's session, I'll show you how can we highlight the maximum value in a bar graph. So it looks prominent, it looks great when we highlight the bar with the maximum value. Okay, so I'll show you how can we create that. So let's go to the new page. Let's click on any dimension and a measure that we should use for a bar graph. Big one. Okay. Now I want to highlight the first one. All right. So now we will create a measure. So data. Here in the sheet one, we are selecting data from this particular sheet. So we will create a measure here only. New measure. Okay, so we'll give the name of this measure. CM, which is calculated measure, and then max, since we're trying to identify the maximum value in the graph. Now we'll create a variable for this. So we'll give the name to var v1 equal to, again we will do alt enter, that better readability. And then we will use the function max x. Okay, and now we will select all, so that no filter should be applicable when we are highlighting this. And the dimension name is airline name, so we will use airline name. And now calculate sum of average delay. Okay, so we're almost done with the calculation. So this will calculate the maximum value in a graph. Now we want to highlight it in a different color, so we will, it is simple formula. If v1, okay, so sorry about that. So if sum of average delay is equal to v1, then we want to show it in a dark blue color. Okay, and if it's not, then we will, it should show us in a light blue color. Okay, so that's it. We'll just commit this statement. You can see that the measure is created. Now we will add this measure to the conditional formatting of this graph. For that, we need to go to formatting. Okay. We'll go to columns. And instead of using any static color, we will use the color based on that field. So we'll go to this function, and then here instead of giving any rule, we'll give the value as field value, and then we will write the name as CM Max. So now we are able to see that the bar with the maximum value is highlighted in a different color, which is what we wanted. I hope you enjoyed this video. If there are any comments or any other suggestions, please comment it. Thank you.